coming. Ah, there it is. Wow. Blue Sea.
Anna favorite chai.
Favorite chai. అన్న కొంచెం ఆయిల్ ఎక్కువ అన్న. Hi guys, welcome to another special vlog. This is featuring the Royal Enfield Classic 350. Now they gave us a special assignment because Hyderabad में food next level मिलता सबको मालूम है. So today the assignment is to feature not the regular paradise बावर्ची वाला सबको मालूम है, but there are some special places offering special experiences apart from the lavish food that they have on offer. तो क्या है, कहाँ पे जा रहे, अभी stay tuned as the rest of the vlog unfolds. Okay guys, so we are on the way to a special place which offers a special dining experience. Now I know Hyderabad बोले तो पहले हैदराबादी बिरयानी का नाम आता, वो भी पैराडाइज, फिर बावर्ची, फिर शादाब. सो आज जो है जो कम एक्सप्लोर्ड प्लेसेस है लाइक that are very famous but not very frequently covered by media publications, तो वो शोकेस करने की कोशिश हम लोग करेंगे आज. तो चलिए साथ में चलिए एंड डीनो भाई का ये हैदराबादी मेहमान नवाजी का एक्सपीरियंस आप उसका मज़े लेने के लिए तैयार हो जाइए. तो लेट्स get going. This is the Classic 350, the new one with the J series engine, super refined, and thanks to Royal Enfield for always supporting my vision. Paka building malli मनोड अन्ने అవసరాలే जल्दी ज़्यादा रहती है अपने विक्की मियाँ को जल्दी रहती हर चीज़ में. बाजू वाले बिल्डिंग को रोकना था, यहीं पे रोक दिए. ओके ब्रो, चिल ब्रो. सब बाजू वाले बिल्डिंग में रोकने का पहले ही रोक दिए. शादी के मौके पे क्या करते कि नहीं मालूम. चलो यार रुक दिए. दैट इज़ द प्लेस वी आर come to, platform 65, the train restaurant. You'll see what's so special once we get inside. चलो आ गए फाइनली. बहुत क्लोजअप हो गया. अरे बाप रे,
भयपडतात ना ऑडियन्स.
Okay, finally we are here
at platform 55
65
yeah, okay, 65 55.
So अभी जाके देखें
65 to 55 में इलाज कन्वर्सेशंस करिए.
Platform 65. This is the place we're gonna have lunch today. Let's walk in. A different experience. Yeah. Entrance कहाँ पे? ऐसे जाना है.
मोबाइल नंबर 96
ಪ್ರತಿ ಚೋಟ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇవ్వకూడదు. whenever they ask, don't give mobile number immediately.
Okay.
Ask the reason why they are asking mobile number. They don't have the right to take our mobile number just like that. Okay. So this is one important thing, Vicky.
Yeah.
Whenever you walk into any store, no one has the right to directly take your mobile number. You should ask why they are taking our mobile number. Just hold this.
Yeah.
So guys, अभी क्या हुआ? We just walked into this platform 65 and this guy was asking for mobile number. Now ये रहने दो, कोई भी स्टोर रहने दो, आजकल फैशन हो गया, जाते ही मोबाइल नंबर पूछते हैं. बिलिंग काउंटर पे भी they ask for mobile number. No one has the right to take your mobile number unless and until they are offering some kind of special services or special discount offer. वो भी पूरा आईवॉशिच रहता. बहुत सारे स्कैम्स चल रहे हैं जहाँ पे मोबाइल नंबर को लेके बहुत मिसयूज़ करते हैं. सो नेवर एवर गिव योर मोबाइल नंबर बिकॉज आजकल मोबाइल नंबर पे ही सब कुछ हो रहा है. सो जस्ट कीप दैट इन माइंड. वार्निंग फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू एज वेल विशर एज योर बाइकर ब्रदर. तो अभी ये सीरियस नोट से वापस जोक मोड को चले जाएंगे.
तो फन पार्ट.
दिस इज द प्लेस दैट विकी रिकमेंडेड कि ये प्लेस जो है हैज़ अ डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस की. फूड विल बी सर्व्ड like on this railway track, like there will be a small train that will be bringing us the food and the order will be served here. So this is really special experience for me. It is first of its kind. Jangaam Junction, Jai Telangana వచ్చేసినాం. అరే వదిన రావాల్సిందిరా అసలు. వదిన actually studied in Jangaam.
అవునా?
Her BTech was done in Jangaam.
Oh.
So here comes the train, the food train. Food train is coming. There it is. Wow. Here is the biryani. उधर पंडा इसको आ गया मटन बिरयानी. कितना टेस्ट है देखेंगे. मेरा फेवरेट मटन बिरयानी आज तक इज़ राजूकारी पुलाव एंड श्री कन्या. These are two. एंड ऑफ कोर्स पैराडाइज में पहले बहुत अच्छा था. अभी आते आते थोड़ा क्वालिटी कम हो जाता है. So guys, first experience is completed, somehow finished, managed to get some lunch. So the rating goes as follows: ambience 10 out of 10, service 10 out of 10, but the food is 3 out of 10 because the taste was not at all up to the mark. But the service was really good. First time जब बिरयानी आया तो ठंडा आया, फिर उसको वापस भिजाया तो गरम आया, लेकिन टेस्ट बिल्कुल नहीं था. सबसे बेस्ट बोलते पान, लास्ट में जो पान दिए फ्री में, वो 20 out of 10. तो द क्वेस्ट कंटिन्यूज एज वी हेड टू अनदर इम्पॉर्टेंट प्लेस. मेरा फेवरेट प्लेस है, तो स्टे ट्यून्ड. हॉप ऑन, लेट्स गो. ओके गाइस, वी आर डन with our platform 65 lunch and then went to meet our friend. Now it's time for some refreshing chai because that is what Hyderabad is known for. This is the place where me as a college student was a regular, not bunking classes, but we used to go there and have chai with friends, and that brings a lot of college memories. So now we're heading to the same place. You'll see whichever place we are headed to soon, and I'm sure this is one of the best chai you will ever have in your life. Now this place has so many fond memories from my college days, and there you have it. Blue Sea is the place. Some news of new strain of coronavirus showing up, so gotta be a little careful.
సో అన్న ఫైనల్గా బ్లూ సీ దగ్గరకు వచ్చేసామా?
అవును, ఇది పట్టుకున్నాం ఫస్ట్. ఎస్, ఫైనల్లీ బ్లూ సీ
అన్న ఫేవరెట్ చాయ్.
फेवरेट चाय कॉलेज टाइम में इकट्ठे दावతున్నాము. ఇది ब्लू सी गोल्डन అనమాట. सो अगर आप यहाँ पे आ रहे हो तो ब्लू सी गोल्डन बोल के स्पेसिफाई करके पीजिए. बेस्ट टेस्ट एवर. एंड मैं और विकी दारू नहीं पीते, लेकिन चाय बराबर पीते और बार बार पीते जब इतना अच्छा टेस्ट हो समोसे के साथ. So Blue Sea chai was just as refreshing as it has been over the years, as it was 15-20 years back. And for a moment my college life just flashed before my eyes. So that is the kind of freedom that motorcycling gives you. You visit the places you've been to during your childhood, maybe with your dad and with your friends, and then the nostalgia just flashes on your mind. Okay guys, so we've stopped right opposite my college. Wesley Degree College is where I studied, and here is the classic, and this is Krishna Cream Gola. So this is something that has gained a lot of popularity of late, and we are going to try one item here to see whether it lives up to the hype and the kind of credit it gets. So भाई आप आपका जो भी स्पेशल है इसमें वो एक बना दीजिए. ये वाले पूरे आते चेरी से पूरा.
हाँ सब आता है उसमें बच्चा में सबसे बेस्ट बच्चा है.
हाँ
ओके. सेकंड में कैडबरी स्पेशल है, ऑल मिक्स स्पेशल है, राजवाड़ी स्पेशल है.
हाँ ठीक है, फिर आप राजवादी एक बना दीजिए ना पहले. ठीक है. चॉकलेट सॉस है क्या?
कैडबरी फ्लेवर है.
अच्छा
कैडबरी सिरप है.
अच्छा.
वो चीज़ है.
आइसक्रीम
वो है वो.
आइसक्रीम
ये आइसक्रीम है.
आइसक्रीम.
Wow, this looks absolutely stunning.
Rinon, are you ready to taste?
Yes, I'm ready to attack this mountain of ice and cream and dry fruits, everything mixed together. I'm gonna take a bit of everything, dry fruits and the ice cream, and let it explode in my mouth. Wow. We have the cream, we have the ice, crushed ice, the ice cream, dry fruits. Really take it to another level. You gotta try this something different from the run-of-the-mill cream stone and the other, stone ice fantasies. This one is a must-try if you love anything freezing, freaking delicious. So guys, we finished one Rajwadi full special. It was so good that we have ordered one more, and it is very, rich in dry fruits, and the way it's made is also very well. So और यहाँ का माहौल भी अच्छा है और जो बनाते हैं वो भी बहुत ही अच्छे एटीट्यूड से आपको वेलकम करते हैं. So this is something that I recommend. Okay, so our stop at Krishna Ice Gola is over for now. We might be coming back here again, but this is really something different, something every foodie must try. And the childhood memory of having those ice golas on sticks will, you know, flash back in your memory. So for now, heading back into the city. And in fact we are in the heart of the city now, so heading into the city. There's one more place I'll show you before we end this vlog. Okay guys, so वहाँ पे आइस गोला का गोला ख़त्म हो गया वो तो ख़त्म ही पे नाते तेलुगु में गोला बोलते शोर, तो वहाँ पे आइस गोला का गोला ख़त्म। यहाँ पे न्यू गोला शुरू हो रहा है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो बंदा है, ये बंदा जहाँ पे है वहाँ पे गोला ही गोला अंटे गोला बोलते शोर मचाए शोर, चोर मचाए शोर। अब यहाँ पे आके कुछ ना कुछ चोरी करने के लिए सोच रहे, लेकिन यहाँ पे परमिशन नहीं है, क्योंकि हमारे श्यामल भाई नहीं है, ही इज़ जस्ट लेफ्ट द स्टोर। तो उनके मौजूदगी में हम लोग चोरी करना चाहते हैं उनके एब्सेंस में नहीं। तो अभी हम जाएंगे टू अ स्पेशल प्लेस। द फूड quest has not ended on the Royal Enfield Classic 350. We are heading to one last place before we end this vlog. तो ये था पूरा न्यू सिटी का चक्कर आप लोगों के लिए। नेक्स्ट टाइम विल बी स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम ओल्ड सिटी एंड एंडिंग विद ओल्ड सिटी, बिकॉज दैट इज़ द रिच कल्चर एंड हेरिटेज ऑफ हैदराबाद लाइज देयर। सो वो हैदराबाद की शान जो है वो ओल्ड सिटी है, तो उसका डेडिकेटेड ब्लॉग आपको चाहिए बोल तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट कीजिए। लेकिन अभी जा रहे हैं एक प्लेस वेर यू गेट मज़ेदार फूड, समथिंग डिफरेंट, समथिंग आउट ऑफ द ऑर्डिनरी। दैट इज़ द प्लेस वेर मी एंड राम विजिट दिस गाय। देखिए फिटनेस इंस्ट्रक्टर भी है फिटनेस इंस्ट्रक्टर भी है और सर्विस हेड भी है, और ये है हमारे विक्की साहब जो है वन ऑफ अ काइंड हाइब्रिड पुरुष, महापुरुष। तो ये महापुरुष जी आज फूड टेस्ट करके रेट करेंगे, एंड उसके बाद क्या होगा ऊपर वाला जाने, आप जान जाएंगे बाय द एंड ऑफ द ब्लॉग। सो लेट्स हिट द रोड। सो गाइस, the motor vlogger is vlogging as a pillion for the first time maybe in YouTube history with a GoPro on. So friend who is a Royal Enfield fan is riding the new gen Classic 350 for the first time. Okay guys, so this is the place that I was talking about. So this is where you get lip smacking dosas or idlis. Ghee karam idli is really famous and keema dosa is really famous. So I brought JS Paji here and he loved the food here, and even Bhabiji was here. So miss you JS Paji. So for now let's enjoy the food. బాగున్నారా? ఫస్ట్ అయితే గీ కారం ఇడ్లీ, ఫస్ట్ గీ కారం ఇడ్లీ తిను. అందరు గీ కారం ఇడ్లీ స్టార్టింగ్, ఫస్ట్ స్టార్టర్ అది మస్ట్. ఓకే తీసుకో సార్, చేతిలో పట్టుకో. దిస్ ఇస్ ఘీ కారం. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఇస్ parotta with chicken kurma. So I've already divulged idli in a matter of seconds. It's so melting in your mouth. It's absolutely unbelievable. You have to taste it to believe it. This is the chicken kurma and parotta. Next level taste. One of their favorite, best delicacies. Today is cheat day for Mr. Fitness. Cheating the diet for today. Baad mein gaya diet.
For me, every day is a cheat day. For me, every day is a cheat day.
Every day is a
round 2 idli.
Round 2 idli. Will it be enough? You will decide after the round, huh? Okay.
But crazy on the taste.
Taste is next level. और दोस्तों के साथ खाने का मज़ा और नेक्स्ट लेवल. सर any पराठा प्लेट అన్న కొంచెం ఆయిల్ ఎక్కువ అన్న
ఎగ్ దోశ ఉంది, ఎగ్ పరాటా ఉంది
దిస్
సార్.
ఇస్ కీమా దోశ
కీమా దోశ సార్. కీమా మటన్
కీమా దోశ is ready. Okay guys, so as the night comes alive in the city of pearls, this vlog is coming to an end. I just hope you enjoyed this food vlog on the Royal Enfield Classic 350. So thanks to Royal Enfield for lending me this bike such that I could, you know, feed my appetite for some quality lip smacking and some amazing delicacies that our city has on offer. And this is just one-off episode because the limit is absolutely endless kind of food that Hyderabad has on offer. So if you want more such episodes, feel free to comment below such that we can do some good ride vlogs to food spots where you can have a mix of, you know, the riding culture as well as the food culture. So that's pretty much it for now. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Until then, take care, God bless, and ride safe.